How to get free Robux in Roblox. Let's get started. Navigate to the website of Roblox or launch your Roblox app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on this Roblox icon and select Redeem Roblox codes. Now over here you'll need to type in this code RBM3WZBWZX69LN2B. After you type in this code, click on Redeem. If you see a message like invalid or already used, that's normal. Just keep going. Next up, change settings. For that, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Click on settings. Once you're in this page, head over to this section, gender. Now you'll need to change your gender, switch to the opposite. Then change your language. Click on this drop down for language. Choose the language to one with a star. Now you can head back to the Roblox page, or you can click on Robux icon. Now scroll down and click on this Robux option, 500 Robux. Click on the option Redeem Roblox card. Now you'll need to enter this code RBM3 credit. Once you type in that, click on Redeem. Now go back to your original language like English in settings. Next up, navigate to this one website, rbx.credit. Put in your Roblox username and complete 2 quick offers. Each one gives 10,000 Robux if done right. After finishing the offers, go back to Roblox and enter the code again. Now check your account, you should see your Robux there. And that's it. This is how you can get free Robux in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.